Does the challenge of maintaining good habits seem insurmountable, a universal struggle? But what if there was a way to simplify it? There were strategies to make habits enduring. Today, we're exploring the science behind habit formation and offering 5 proven tactics to help you establish long-lasting habits. Tip number 1, start small. Rome wasn't built overnight, and your habits won't be either. In habit formation, small steps matter. So, start with attainable goals. Want to read more? Begin with a single page daily, planning to exercise. Start with 5 minutes of stretching. Make it so easy that you can't say no. Moving on to tip number 2, consistency is key. It's critical in ingraining habits. By creating a routine, you foster regular practice. For instance, if a morning exercise routine is your goal, ensure you do it at the same time daily. Tip number 3, use habit stacking. This methodology involves appending a fresh habit to an existing one. Let's say your existing habit is brushing your teeth every morning. To effectively use habit stacking, you could add a new habit like sipping a glass of water post-brushing. This strategy is simple yet quite powerful. It aids you in easily incorporating new habits into your everyday life. It's a simple yet effective strategy to seamlessly integrate new habits into your daily routine. On to the 4th tip, reward yourself. In habits, rewards are significant. They impart a feeling of accomplishment, encouraging you to persevere. Every completion of a habit cycle should be marked with a self-treat. This incentive should be something you genuinely relish. Remember, the reward must be your true delight, not an assumed one. And finally, tip number 5, be patient. Learning a new routine is a journey, not a sprint. Rejoice in minor achievements and remember, progress, not perfection, is the goal. In summary, to build a habit that will stick, start with small, achievable goals. Establish a consistent routine, making it a non-negotiable part of your day. Incorporate habit stacking, integrating new habits with existing ones. Celebrate progress, rewarding yourself when a cycle is completed. Most importantly, be patient. It's the little, yet steady steps that bring enduring change. So, start today and progressively lay the foundation for habits leading to a better tomorrow.